becomes bay to detect a leak. And naturally, it is a tricky task. We have water pouring out the walls, all very intermittently. So we start with a camera inspection and then some dye testing to try pinpoint the leak. We finally hit the nail on the head with the prep bowl in the kitchen. Water almost immediately starts running through the bars, through the light fitting, making its way through every exit point in that area. This is the area of concern. The waste pipe runs for about half a meter in the wall, and then the culprit, this dodgy connection, the plumber has sleeved the pipe and caulked it with cement or something else. Then eventually it came loose and started leaking through the wall. This connection runs through the paving and eventually ends at the gully. We are just prepping to do the coating on the waistline on this prep bowl. We will go through here. We have chosen to line the pipe instead of chopping the wall open. Firstly, to prepare the pipe, make sure it's dry and clean. We connect up our pressurized oxygen tube, plug the entry point, and prepare for some sandblasting to clean the inner walls of the pipe. Once the pipe is clean and dry, we can go in with the sealing epoxy. And that's all, a nice rock hard protective coating on the pipe. A premium leak repair complete.